very effective getting as many people as they can to identify the voice on that particular video.
I think that may have proved to be the most critical piece of evidence that we've heard so far as it relates to linking him to the murders. I mean, you have all the people who know his voice, who know his family, saying unequivocally that that's his voice. And when you put that in the context of his alibi, if you will, which is I was not there, I had not seen my family, you have a lot of explaining to do. And unfortunately, explaining doesn't get you around a guilty verdict in a case like this.
Well, let me ask you, because that leads to my next question. This pretty much, as far as I'm concerned, just is like an atomic bomb on his alibi. And the testimony we've heard from other people saying that he told them he was never at the kennels. So with that fact, the fact that they've established him, at least seemingly, and I want to say this unequivocally, but that he's a liar, right? He may have some explanation, but as of right now, it looks like he's a liar. Is that enough? Is that lie enough for a foundation when you start plugging in all these other bits of circumstantial evidence to lead to a verdict of guilty?
I think it is. I think it's a very solid foundation, the type of foundation that you could build a house on, the type of foundation you could build a jail on, and one that ultimately might build a prison on, a prison that he walks himself right into because he got caught lying.
Adanté, how does the defense deal with this?
Well, you hope that if you're the defense, you're hoping that you have someone who could come in and say, look, the metadata from this video shows that this video was not taken as close to time as the prosecution is telling you. In fact, or you're saying that that's not my client's voice and it may be someone who's similar or someone else that's there that you can offer up as being the source of that voice, without you either undermining the technicality of the video or offering up someone else who you can identify as being that voice. I think all you can do is hold your head, hold your breath, and hope that whoever's testifying about the video is on and off the stand as quick as possible.
Yeah, because I can't think of any other reason why a man who was near the kennels on the day that his wife and son were killed would say to people that he wasn't there or somehow might have forgotten that he was there. It just doesn't make any sense.
At all. I mean, it's the type of thing, such a critical time frame. And if you really care about these people and you want to help with the idea of finding the culprits who did this, a la OJ, you're going to say, look, I was there, I wasn't there, and this is what happened. You're not going to confuse yourself around this important time frame. So I think that, he's got a lot of explaining to do. I just don't think it's going to explain his way into an innocent verdict.
Interesting. That is interesting. All right, Adanté Pointer, always a real pleasure to have you on the show. Glad we had a chance to talk tonight. I'll let you go. We'll see you again soon.